Welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. This one that they call no peace for the wicked. Hey, Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water don buy markets. If restlessness was a name, we for call am Juju Ekwensu. My people, only she don't begin to expose the secret when e dey inside the Edushus family. Judy Austin say she's tired though. This whole thing now, they won't abandon her for her head. This whole thing, when it dey happen, now she now be the black sheep. Every time Judy, she don't tire. Or Guinea, what has she done when they never do before? She don't tire. Judy Austin dey cry, come outside though. My people, make una carry chair, carry joko, make una come sit down, make una hear tori. Hey, una know say when the tori tough, I dey tell una say make una carry chair. This one no be waka and listen. Only Judy is carrot. Don't begin dey use her mouth till they confess. They talk wetin dey happen for inside the Edochie family. As the matter dey go now, she say e be like say they won't abandon her. Make only she go carry across for court. Judy is carrot say lie o. He say no go work. E no go work. Because according to her, she no do bad. She say she no offend anybody. She no spoil person home. She no snatch person husband. She did not do anything wrong. What did she do? Is there something she did wey never happened before for inside her family? Is there something she did? Why is her own different? Hey, my people, this one that they call you don't hit my car. Oyibo rekbete, igbese rekbete. It don't settle. It don't set for the Edushie family. I talk and say one day go come. Now only they go carry their tori come give us for this social media. Judy is carrot. She said she not see the reason why Mama Rita go dey drag am up and down. She not see the reason why Mama Rita go dey condemn her name. What have she done? What have she done? My people, now God save me Edochie. God now save me Edochie. If you see what is going on behind her back, in short, now God remove me Edochie come for that marriage. Now God end that marriage. Sometimes God don't just want you to be in some certain places. And it will make things to be happening. You go to ask God why. But now only you want to know wetin they see. God now end me Edochie marriage. Now he remove am from there. How can that innocent, beautiful, talented, educated woman be in the midst of this old kasala when I want to tell una so? How? Judy Austin say the Edochie family say they are not pure. He said they are manipulative. Manipulative pretenders and wicked. Wicked. She said Mama Rita na there are two. He said now there are two ways that they use. He said, why is Mama Rita fighting her? Why Mama Rita they fight her? What did she do when they never do before? Is she the first person when he gives birth to children for Yul Edochie? Hey, I tell you now, we could not carry chair. Is she the first person when he born for Yul Edochie? Abi na she be the first person when he dates Yul Edochie? Why is Mama Rita not dragging Lizzy Gold? Why is she not dragging Lizzy Gold? Why the Edochie family not they drag Lizzy Gold? Lizzy Gold has been in the picture for a very long time. We she know. All of them know themselves. There's she Bernard. He said all of them know themselves. For inside this tori, for inside this relationship, all of them were dating Yul Edochie. She was not an exception. She said from the day when Lizzy Gold go meet Yul Edochie, say, teach me movie, put me into movie. And that day, now they start to the Nakademus, they come. Till today, they are still doing it. He said, why Mama Rita never come out on one day say, Lizzie, go though. You are dating married man. Leave married man alone. He say, why? Why they not drag Lizzie God? He said, now they say, Judy Austin born. Judy Austin born for Yul Edochie. She said she's not the first person. According to her, she said that time when Yul Edochie, they say, I'm King Solomon. I want to born 12 children. And the father came out and supported him. Judy Iscariot say we think say na she na won't born the 12 children. He say Yul Edochie is indirectly telling us counting his children in his marriage and outside his marriage, which is equivalent to almost 11 children when he don't get. He say which of the family member that do not know about it. She said the baby mamas of Yul Edochie, they visit Grandpapa Edochie's house, which is Grandpapa Pete. He said they know all of them. All of them, they go there. The children, they go there. But nobody from that family has ever dragged them the way they are dragging her. What did she do? Oh, Guinea May. What has she done? When he be saying not date that family. Now they are trying to abandon her to the whole problem. She said, oh, Bano, the world must hear the whole truth. Nobody go push her enter fire and let that fire burn her. Everybody must burn together. Judy Iscariot say, the baby mamas of Yul Edochie, they are all there. The family, they know about it. But nobody is saying anything. Nobody, they talk anything. They all kept quiet. He reached her own. They begin drag her. They begin talk. They begin waiting. They never do her. Is she the first person that gave birth to children for Amobingo? She said she Bernard, if not be say she Bernard by. She Bernard did not remove her pregnancy. She Bernard was pregnant. I was ready to born the pikin for Amobingo. Unfortunately, she Bernard can't buy. If to say she Bernard not buy, she Bernard for still born for yo. Why did they not drag she Bernard? Why did they not drag Lizzie Gold? Why are they not talking about yo baby mamas? Why? Why be say na our own? Now they come put for table talk when they not gree drink water put cup for ground. He said Mama Rita will drag her. Why Mama Rita not tell me Edochie about all the secrets of Yul Edochie baby mama, about the girls where they date for the industry? After all, Mama Rita is a Nollywood actress. Definitely, she dey hear gist. If she so much love me Edochie the way she claimed, why not tell her, me Edochie, your husband is cheating? How many times Mama Rita don't carry me Edochie sit down, tell and say Yul Edochie is living a double life? Never. Even Lizzie Gold, he dey date Yul Edochie till today, and he's putting it in the face of everybody. She said the reason why make her not dey talk because all of them know themselves when they date Yul Edochie. Lizzie Gold was there, she was there, she Bernard was there. A lot of them in the industry were there. She said because Yul Edochie decided to choose her, all of the diverse. Because all of them, the rest of them, their story is secret. No one did the media. The baby mamas, the girlfriends, you see no one is in the media. Now only she, now yo gather courage to introduce to the world. And they all became jealous and tried to destroy her. They all tried to destroy her. She said before Yul Iscariot, yo Iscariot, because yo was past Judas Iscariot, yes. That man is worse than Judas Iscariot. He said before Judy Iscariot said before Yul Iscariot introduced her out in the media. She said she has already visited the family. They all know her. Even before Yul Iscariot introduced Stadike, he said the whole family already know your story. When they were dating, where were these things? Is it not in Enugu? He and Yul Edochie, they stay the same house in Enugu. So, who want to say they don't know about them? Who want to say they don't know everything? Why is it now we be say, yo can't introduce them to the world? Now all of the converse. Judy Iscariot says she's not going down alone. She's not going down alone. It's a very wicked family. Wicked set of family. Pretending as if they love me, Edochie. He said they don't love me, Edochie. He said they don't love her. He said they played that woman dirty. They played that woman dirty. There were a lot of things going on behind me, Edochie. This woman don't even get idea. Judy Iscariot say, Lizzie Gold is jealous of me, Edochie. Not because she's supporting Amobingo. She's jealous of me, Edochie, because Yul Edochie refused to leave his wife for her. He say na Goldie Lizzie, na they give Amobingo money, na they take care of Amobingo. Amobingo no dey spend for Goldie Lizzie. Na Goldie Lizzie, na they spend for Amobingo. Na they give Amobingo shelter, money, everything. She said Goldie Lizzie wants Amobingo to leave his wife for her. He said now they give her money, they give her everything. He said Goldie Lizzie is jealous of me, Edochie, because she see me, Edochie, as a rival. Because they support you, Edochie. Now he make her say she the vex for me, Edochie. No. She see me, Edochie, as a rival. She see me, Edochie, as that person when you, Edochie, cannot abandon for her. He said, so Lizzie Gold is worse than her. Just he said that they thought, say, she the abandon you, Edochie, for Enugu. She said, what about Lizzie Gold? Lizzie Gold no dey happen Yul Edochie. How come when he did relationship with Yul Edochie was dating all these women? Was dating all of them. He said Lizzie Gold said that one not still carry belly because say she remove her own. What is the difference? Lizzie Gold remove her own, she born her own. No be the same belly all of them carry for the man. Hey, my people. Judy Austin say Mama Rita is a tool used by the Edochie family to attack her. He said, have you ever seen Mama Rita dragging Yul Edochie? Have you ever seen her saying one bad thing about Yul Edochie? Everything is her. Everything are Judy. Why? Because Judy decided to expose their brother. Judy decided to bring their brother Nyash come aside. All this while that they play me Edochie, that they deceive me Edochie. Me Edochie don't know anything when it happen. You don't know say your husband get children outside. You don't know say your husband get baby mamas. You don't know say he get friends outside. But the moment they introduce her, everything on the unveil. The Edochie family became angry with her because their plan is that she too should be under the shadow. They never wanted her to come aside. They never wanted Yul to introduce her. She said the verse where the verse on her, it's not about Yul Edochie impregnating her, having children for Yul Edochie. He said no. You see, all of them know. They already know that one. He said not be that one they verse them. The thing with the verse they say, Yul Edochie introduce her to the public. Now they verse them. I wish Yul Edochie no introduce her. She did behind closed door. She said everything for the go smoothly. May Edochie for not still know waiting they happen. She said she's not the first so involved for Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie get children when he grew past her son. Of Yul Edochie baby mama picking senior Zain. He say senior Zain. He say somebody is calling himself King Solomon, polygamous man. He say how will she be the one to make him polygamous man? Say that word when Yul Edochie talk, he say it deep, but people did not read deep into it. She's not the one that make him a polygamous. There are other baby mama which the whole family know. She said, I wish they not introduce her. She did behind closed door. He said everything for the go smoothly. And May Edochie wouldn't have known anything. She said Mama Rita is angry with her, targeting her because she exposed Yul Edochie. All the baby mamas, all the secrets, everything about him, now she exposed her. say that anger. Now they say Mama Rita call the attacker. Say till today, Yul Edochie and Lizzy Gold they date. Say they are dating. She knows about it. She knows say two of them are friends. But has Mama Rita ever drag Lizzy Gold? Has she ever come out to say, oh, Yul Edochie have all that children? She know. She know. All of them know what they happen. But now Judy Austin matter. Now they different for inside. Since when she come outside, they don't let her drink water put up for ground. Her life has become miserable. Miserable. At her age, she not dey remember things again. She go dey forget things because of this relationship. He said Mama Rita has decided that she will make her suffer in this relationship. He said Mama Rita not give her peace for relationship. A relationship where she knows say the so-called May Edochie husband is into different women. Why did you not tell the wife? To me, all these things when Judy Austin they talk is just to justify herself. Even if they were baby mama, which we know, even if they were girlfriends, which we know already, we don't already know. But the fact that they respect their boundaries, we will also respect their boundaries. Baby mama are not on the media. Girlfriends are not on the media. Now lately, now Lizzy Gold can show herself with Yul Edochie. If not, she was never there in the media. Now you start the Katala when they did the media. That's why you are the black sheep. Yeah. Now you start out. I wish you come as they introduce you, you maintain your lane. Nobody for they talk about you. Nobody. You mock this woman, mock. So she lost her son, you they laugh at. Everything where you they talk, say it happen. It happen, no, it not happen. It not concern us again. The important thing say May Edochie don't carry her two-legged this Benz. Abandon all of una to una dirty life. Una they live. So anything una they see for them, now una business. The important thing say may you go court because everybody say you must be in court. Because this your long story now. Be like say you want to justify yourself the reason why you don't want to go to court. Yeah. Because it's Mama Rita. It's Mama Rita. What did Mama Rita do? What did she do? Now she give you to Yul Edochie at your age. Is she the one that gave you to Yul Edochie? Did she not warn you? Mama Rita was the only person that was good to you because she was advising you before she started dragging you. She said, Madonna, back here you pass, come back here you pass, come out. She was advising you, you refused to listen. Now you're trying to play the victim. You always try to play the victim. Madam, go court. All this explanation we don't already know. Say Yul Edochie have all these things. But the Edochie family covering it for him. That one are their business. The important thing is May Edochie is not there. That is from our business. Go to court and answer the court case. My lovely fans, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless you.